Hi guys, it's your girl Vicky back with another video, and I did miracle knots for the first time and I think it turned out really good. This is Tahikie here. I don't want to say the wrong brand, so I'll put it on the screen or in the description. And it's 20 inches. Eventually when I comb it out, maybe it'll be longer, but it's up here. But anyways, this is it. I want to say it took me a while to do it because I was taking breaks, like, you know, I'm home, but actually putting the pieces in, it took me, it wasn't, I don't want to say the wrong time, but I took my time with it, but it was pretty quick. You can finish this hairstyle in a day, less than the time it would take to do traditional box braids and boho braids. So I'm gonna show the braids that I did underneath. I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, and it came out like this, and I do love it. But I'm gonna show you guys how I actually put it on the braid because I did want to put more on my hair. This is how they came. It's like a lot on there, like a lot. This is the 4th pack. I could have, no, I couldn't have used 3 packs, so I'm not gonna say that. It's good I didn't buy 5 packs because I was gonna buy 5 packs, but I bought 4 packs instead. And maybe different brands differ on the amount they put on in each pack, but this one was a lot. So this is how they come, like here, and then there's the thread holding them together. So I did want to add more on like this one and the back because I didn't want the end part sticking out really, but this is at the top, so yeah, I'm gonna add one there. Okay, so, and then it comes with this crochet needle, of course. So I don't really want this one sticking out. There was another one sticking out here, but I think it's gone now. It blended in. But I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on the hair. And I already put one at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top, but I'm gonna add another one. So we're just going to, and this is how I do it, but we're going to go into like a hole in the braid, like that, and then put the needle in all the way, take the crochet piece, put it on the hook like that, and then close it. Okay, it closed already. And then pull it out all the way, take off the needle, make a hole, and then put both of the strands in the hole and just pull it like that, so it's safely secured on the hair like that. Yeah, since I did it to this one, I'm gonna do it to this side too. So, and this is day 3 because I did it on Fridays. No, Friday I went out. Today Saturday, I did it Thursday, so day 3. Yeah, so this is the hair in the front, and again I did one at the, where's the end of this hair? I did one at the top, which is 2 pieces, and then, oh, I didn't even do one at the bottom. One at the top and one in the middle-ish, So I'm gonna add one to the end. I think the reason why I didn't add any to the end of a lot of them was because when I was braiding my hair, like a lot of, like I couldn't, it wasn't 3 strands. Like I was able to twist it because one of the strands were lost in the hair. So I didn't really bother braiding it down all the way or twisting it down or even putting a piece on there. But I can find an empty hole here. So we're just going to add the hair. And then we're gonna take a piece, crochet in the hoop loop, close it, take the end of the braid, pull it through, take off the needle, and then make a hole, put both of the strands in the hole, holding down the braid. Make sure it's tight, even if you have to pull both of the pieces. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna add more to here so it'll look full from the back, but that's how I crochet the hair. So I'm gonna do that and then come back. Okay, so I added the last few pieces that I wanted to add, and this is pretty much the final product. I would say if you want, I guess, a more fuller look, you can brush out the hair and you can even put mousse on it and, you know, brush it out like bundles. This is Burmese curly hair, and if you're going for a more specific look, you can define it but I like it like this, so we're leaving it like this. And now I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna show some style ideas. So the first style is the regular down and out, just like that. It's pretty easy going. Just let your hair down. The next style, we are going to do a half up, half down.
So it's pretty easy to style.
And there you have it. A half up, half down. Pretty nice, girly, cute. The third style, front out and half up, half down. Then another style. Then 2 ponytails and then all back. It's another style. Another style. So you could even do a side part. Depending how you want to part your hair. I think this is also cute. I should have done my edges, but I didn't. But it's okay. I think that's really cute as well. You can even do a low pony, just cute. And the pony can go right into a bun, a messy bun. Or if you're feeling a bit more retro, or you more so want like the hair out of your face, you can do a high pony, and I think it's really cute as well. You don't have to use a big blue scrunchie, you can use that rubber band and you'll get the same cute effect. And from the high pony you can do a bun, which is my go-to with box braids or boho braids when I usually get them. So this might be my go-to too. Just a bun. It's cute. You can wear it anywhere. There's no hair in your face. And for an even more curlier effect, you can actually take out some pieces, how long or short you want them. Even from the back, you can have them hanging out all over, and it'll still be cute. You can do anything you want with this style, which is really why I love it. And it's super quick and easy. So I'll be doing it again. And yeah, that's about it. That's how I did the hair and how I style it here and there and how I'm going to style it here and there. Thank you guys for watching.